Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence. Famous people learned English step by step. BTS RM, United Nations speech. Hello, I'm Kim Namjoon, also known as RM of BTS. I am from South Korea. I love music. Music helped me learn English. I watched Friends many times. First with Korean subtitles, then English, then no subtitles. I made mistakes, but I kept going. I want to say, speak yourself. Love yourself. Believe in your voice. It is your power. Thank you very much. Priyanka Chopra, inspiring stage speech. Good evening. My name is Priyanka. I am an actress. When I was young, I was scared to speak. I didn't have strong English. But I studied hard. I read books. I listened to people. I practiced. And I got better. Now I speak in front of the world. You can do it too. Just believe in yourself. Don't give up. Jackie Chan Award Show. Hello everybody. I am Jackie Chan. I am so happy today. When I came to America, I didn't speak English. It was very hard. I used sign language. I listened and learned. Every day I practiced. Now I can speak to all of you. If I can do it, you can too. Just try and never stop. Malala Yousafzai, Peace Speech. Hello. My name is Malala. I come from Pakistan. I fight for education. When I was young, I wanted to speak to the world. So, I learned English. It was not easy, but I tried. I read books. I watched news. I practiced with my teachers. Now I speak here. I believe every child can learn. Every girl and every boy. Never stop learning. Cristiano Ronaldo, Motivational Talk. Hi everyone. I am Cristiano Ronaldo. I love football. Football gave me a chance to travel. I wanted to speak to fans in many countries. So, I learned English. I listened, I read, and I spoke. English helps me every day. You can learn English too. Just keep working and don't be afraid. Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence.